How to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the three lines over here at the top and then tap on account center. Then scroll down and tap on passwords and security. And here you'll be able to see the option of two-factor authentication. So tap on it and tap on your profile and then tap on the authentication app over here and then tap on next. So here you'll be able to see you can copy the key or view barcode or QR code. So just tap on view barcode or QR code and then scroll down your status bar and then just tap on the scanner. And as you tap on scanner, you'll just be able to scan the QR code that you have selected over here. After that, it will lead you to a new page where you can add this profile to your authentication. So just tap on yes. And there you go, you have enabled two-factor authentication on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.